Okay, my jazzy people, let's make a smoothie, okay? I absolutely love making smoothies every day. I try to get them in every day, at the least. As long as I got some fruit in the freezer or some fresh fruit in the freezer, I try to get it in, especially the berries. It definitely gets your blood flowing. It's good for heart health if you have high blood pressure to bring it down. So y'all get them berries in, okay? Okay, so let me tell y'all what I put in this smoothie, which you probably already seen, but I used almost 2 cups of frozen strawberries. I used a whole banana. I like the fact that it makes it sweeter and creamier. I added in 1 cup of fresh raspberries that I got from Kroger's. They were on sale for $1. I also added in some chia seeds. Great benefits. Look them up, use them, eat them. I added in some protein powder, of course. It was like actually hemp protein powder plus fiber, which is very good for the gut health. And then I added in 1 whole cup of original almond milk. And you didn't see it on camera, but I added in a 1/2 cup of water because it was too frozen to blend. And then I went ahead and blended everything up together, y'all, and it is so good. Try it. Cheers.